How to enable adaptive battery on Android. This feature automatically turns on power saving mode when your battery reaches a selected percentage, helping extend battery life without requiring you to enable it manually. To get started, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Battery, then select Power Saving Settings. Here, you'll find the option called Automatically Enter Power Saving Mode. Tap on it to toggle on. Now, choose the battery percentage at which you want power saving mode to activate automatically. For example, you can set it to 20%, 15%, 10%, or another available level based on your preference. Once you've selected your preferred battery level, simply go back. Your settings will be saved automatically. From now on, whenever your battery reaches the selected percentage, power saving mode will turn on automatically. This helps reduce background activity, limits unnecessary power usage, and extends your battery life when your phone starts running low on charge. And that's it. That's how you can enable automatically enter power saving mode and make your phone manage battery usage more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android and tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.